question is, I had a hip replacement 2 years ago. The first one was 2 years ago, and the hip popped out 12 times within a year. Within a year. 6 months after the first original surgery, I had a revision, which was supposed to have fixed the problem. Well, a month after it was done, it popped out again. I do have it is a Dupuy, but every one of the phone numbers that I have called said that only thing that they were handling was metal on metal. Well, mine's not metal on metal. And I keep asking, well, it's got to start somewhere with another problem.
Okay, Sandra, I want Ken to talk to you, and maybe he can maybe give you some pointers or some thoughts to take with you. What do you think, hearing her problem, where obviously she has had a long history of a problem with this?
Yeah, well, typically in what you're hearing, the metal on metal hips are the major problem. It's the talk in the litigation community when you're dealing with defective hips. Metal on metal hips can cause a lot of problems, not just dealing with the hip itself, but the tissues around the hip. Can cause blood levels of certain metals to build up and cause all sorts of infection and things that are really causing a lot of problems in patients. I don't know exactly what your particular problem is. I don't know if it's because of the way that it's being put in. It sounds like you have a ceramic hip, which that's not something that mainstream lawyers are handling, from a defective product standpoint. But if you want to give us a ring, we can look into it, try to find out, what your problem is, why you're having such a big issue. Because it sounds like, gosh, after a revision and then maybe even another revision, it could be coming.
Something's not right.
Sounds like something may not be right. I'm sorry you're having those problems.
Yeah. Okay.